For several years I have been driving campervans built on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. But I have never been able to find a solution I like for mount the mobile phone in the car and keep it in place while driving. The solutions I've been looking on are often not sturdy enough. They make permanent marks or damages to the interior. They are often placed in weird locations in the car and block the air outlets or some controls in the car. And they often have very limited possibilities to adjust the angle of the phone so you can have a good view on it. But now I have found a solution that looks very promising. I found it online and decided to give it a try, so I ordered it. So let's look now together how to mount it, how it works, and if it's any good or not. So the solution I went for is from an American company called Offroam, and I just stumbled over it on the internet while searching for some other things. And they make mounts for a lot of vehicles, but this one for the new Sprinter is really clever. And I ordered a kit which consists of special mount for the Sprinter, and it's no plastic, it's aluminum and with some rubber to protect the car. Really high quality, excellent fit. And in the kit it's included an arm. This is the standard length, but you can also find it in other dimensions on their webpage. And then I went for a solution with a MagSafe charger, and this one has a USB-C connection on the back, and in the kit it's included a 12-volt adapter and the USB-C cable. The cable is also really high quality with textile on the outer surface. But I wasn't sure if this would be sturdy enough with only the MagSafe, so I also added a spring-loaded attachment. Also aluminum with rubber to protect the phone, and really high quality, super soft spring-loaded. So everything is made of very high quality. And I ordered it from US, and it took about a week for it to arrive to Sweden. And the mounting is really clever. You have this small storage compartment, one of each side. So you can actually mount one of each side or choose left or right what you want. I normally use this to put my extra keys in. And to mount it, you use this mount, and there's a small lip here which fits into a groove under here. So you just slide it in the left part of this compartment as long as you can, and then it clicks into this groove under. And then it's only to tighten it up with a small hex screw. One screw on each side. And then it's really sturdy and doesn't destroy anything in the interior. So if you want to take it away, you can do that way easily without any marks. Then you have this ball, and to this ball you attach this arm, and the other end of the arm you have this same ball here on the charger. And then I just tighten it up. And now I can just mount my phone with MagSafe magnets, and I can adjust it really flexible to almost any position I want here. And it doesn't block anything, it's really good access, and actually I can use the air vents to cool down the phone while charging if I want to. And what's really clever is also that I can still use this compartment, so I don't lose any storage space. I wasn't sure if the MagSafe charger was strong enough, so I also bought this other spring-loaded mount. So you just switch it, it's the same ball on this one, and tighten it up. And this one is really sturdy and with a super soft spring-loaded mechanism of high quality with rubber which protects the phone. So now the phone is super stable if I want that solution instead. So now I have a really good solution, I think. It looks good, and the phone is easily attached by MagSafe magnets. It's in perfect reach and with a very good viewing angle, and it doesn't block the air outlets or any controls. And at the same time I can still use the small compartment behind the phone, so I doesn't lose that either. The charger is a Qi2 charger which charges with up to 15 watts, so it's a very fast charger. And also the phone is very well ventilated when in place. And it's connected by a standard USB-C cable, so the power installation is also very flexible. And I especially like that the cable is attached to the back of the charging place, which makes the whole installation look very clean. All the materials are very good. It's all vital parts are in metal. The same for both the charger plate and this spring-loaded mount. And the ball is also in metal with some grooves in it, so it doesn't slide around while driving. And the magnet has just the right strength, I think. It's strong enough to keep the phone in place, but not too strong that makes it inconvenient to dismount the phone. And the matte black metal materials also makes everything look really professional. So in all, I'm very satisfied, and I have absolutely no cooperation at all with Offroam. I just wanted to try it out, and I thought it was a really good solution that I wanted to share with you. So check them out. I leave a link to their webpage in the description if you want to see if there's something that fits in your car.